I got a social media, I got a business, I got a brand. I want a graphic designer, but do I want to pay graphic designer money? I know your answer, you don't. We got a tool, we're gonna see if this can replace a graphic designer, and we're gonna see the level of creativity, because I need some shit that's crispy. I'm talking about crispy, super professional, and we're gonna see if it can work while we work and while we sleep. Let's get into it. The tool is called Lovart. I wanna see what it's hitting on. All right, first off, this is what it's gonna look like for you as soon as you get here. You can type in whatever you want, but I need some inspiration. So I want to scroll down and let's just see some stuff they got. A retro portrait. That looks kind of fire. Let me see. Let's click it. Now, once you click it, they literally give you 3 different examples. They show you who the author is that made this. But guess what? The most important, they give you the prompt. Okay? So you can copy and paste this entire prompt, or you can just press try it now. So this looks pretty dope. I want to see what this can give us. So let's say you got a social media page. You want to start going viral. And what I mean by start going viral is you want to get some of the results like these. You see how I've been going crazy with my AI pictures? So let's say you already are a girl, or you a guy that wants to do modeling, UGC content, whatever, and you want a dope portrait of yourself? Let's see if we can make that here. All right, so it has the prompt already ready for us. You see everything we want, the 4:5 aspect ratio, everything we have here. What I'm gonna do is upload a file so we can transform one of our pictures into the retro style. Once you have everything you want, you press enter, and this is gonna start thinking and creating right here on the spot. So it literally tells us step by step what it's gonna do. It says here, I'll create the classic department store studio portrait for that nostalgic 1980s, 1990s Christmas vibe. All right, so we'll speed it up a little bit, or maybe not, because as I'm saying that, it's literally cooking live on screen, so shit. We won't even speed it up. Let's see in real time what this can generate. So guess what it's using, y'all? Nano Banana. As you see right here, it's using Nano Banana. For those of you unfamiliar with Nano Banana, go watch my previous videos or go check out my Instagram. And oh my goodness, as I'm talking, look at this image. So right here, ladies and gentlemen, we have our AI girl that I uploaded right here in a Christmas sweater. You see, she still got the French tips on the nails. We can even zoom in more. So look at this, people. You can zoom in more. You see, smile. It gave her the retro 1980s haircut. This is fire, bro. And guess what? You simply press the download button and it's there for you. Insane. I know y'all like money, so you want to talk about options trading. For those of you who are new to my channel, we talk about the stock market a lot, and we really did a lot in the past. A lot of viral videos. And a lot of people like to throw their money in the wind. You like to gamble, you like to do options trading, right? So I told it right here. I simply said, very simple. Make me a graphic for options trading for beginners in 2026. This is going to have you sounding super smart. So if you got homework, you got work, or even if you have a client, you want to train them, this is what it came up with. But we got to talk about the editing. I want to see how the editing goes here. So let's say, for example, I want this whole thing to be Robin Hood themed. I like it, but I want the theme to change a little bit. And it says right here, it's going to analyze the current infographic and it's going to redesign it with the Robin Hood theme. Y'all, it's using Nano Banana Pro. You know how that gets. Nano Banana Pro is next level. Y'all see my Instagram page. You know that we're doing over 140 million views a month there. We got 100 million total on this incredible YouTube, but 140 million is on AI pictures, having some entertainment, letting people think. So if this is you, your brand, your business, okay, look at that. Real time, here's our image. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. This just keeps getting better and better. The more stuff you type in as far as edits is the longer it's going to take to give you what you want. I told it to make everything 3D and outlined, and look how much better this graphic looks. This is the first graphic. This is the revamped second one. So you got homework, no problem. You got a work assignment, no problem. You got a consultant, a customer, a client that needs something done from you, no problem. This is a banger. So we just edited text. We went through quick edit. You like Pokemon, they got giant characters right here for you to reference. You can go ahead and click it. Once you click it, you can see all the inspiration that is here. What other people made with this exact same prompt, this style. You got a lotion, a product that you want sold. I love this one. You can go ahead and literally get your product, a cologne, anything on a model right here. Here's the entire prompt for you. Oh, and if you ever want to make something like this, you can literally use and get a graphic like this as well. Bro. This is crazy. I took a girl. This girl doesn't exist. She's not real. I put her in here. I press enter, and it put her on some gypsy water. Whatever the hell perfume that is. It's amazing. AI is incredible. Okay, so I say all that to say this is literally, bro. I don't know what to say. This is fire. This is literally taking me I don't know how long this video is going to be, but all of this is going to be done in under 11 minutes. Pray in this video, but boom, step after step. They got tons of editing features, tons of inspiration. The shit is amazing. I could literally be on here all day just doing different things. So for me, Lovart is going to get a 9 out of 10. Banger. I like it. I love everything I'm seeing. If you want to make graphics to sell something, hey, it's got Seshi approval. Like, subscribe. Let me know what tool you want to see next, and check the description for this tool. It's a banger. You did.